Welcome! In front of me I have WAHOO Elemnt Rival watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight brightness on this watch. Basically, when you turn on the backlight, you can change the brightness level of it. You basically don't see it on the camera, but as you can see, it's glowing, and if it turns off, it should be... Come on, turn off now. Do it, please. I just want to show that it works. It's quite long. Do I need to press it again? Let's see. Let's press it again, I guess. Oh yeah, I need to press it again to turn it off. My bad. So basically, that's turned on and that's turned off. In the sun, you won't see it that much, but in the darker room, it will be visible. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness for this. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu. And to do it, press and hold the lower button on the left side. Once the menu opens, use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through it and select the option called System. And once you select the System option, press the middle button to enter. Here, look for the option called Backlight Intensity, and here we have it. And if you want to change the intensity, right now it's on the highest level, the high, you can press the middle button and you have low, medium and high. So select the one you like, and then you can press the lower button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.